Alright guys, so today I got a nice easy DIY video for you. I'm going to be changing out this yellow incandescent bulb to a red color bulb. It's something that I've been wanting to do just because I like how the newer STIs have this like a nice red ring around here. I'm going to try to change that today. Hopefully it goes good. I got this little spare part that I did, what's it called? A new key lock assembly on one of my jobs that I did at work, and I kept it because all I need basically is this little red light. But yeah, let me show you how to do that. Alright guys, so now that I got some lighting down here, all my like flashlights just kind of everywhere. Alright, so you're gonna have this little screw underneath your steering column, and that's about it. So let me take that off and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so once you have all of that one bolt removed, or that one screw, what you want to do is just take off this clamshell, set it off to the side, and now you're gonna have one more bolt holding this top clamshell in, and then hopefully you can see it right. It's kind of hidden, but you can kind of see it. It's just going to be right there. There's another bolt holding that top clamshell in, so don't start prying on these at all because they come off really nice and easy. And once you do, just set it off to the side. It's a little harder on mine since I have the factory boost gauge, but yeah, I'm just gonna click that down and try to get as much room as I can. Now for the real job. Now as you can see right here, this is where most of the light is like illuminating from. Behind here is just a little connector, just like a little connector, just like this one right here. And all you're gonna do is just basically twist it off, take it out, and then move it off to the side so you can swap out these bulbs. This is where having small hands would really help. Just like doing spark plugs on Subaru, it's always a pain, but let me finagle it out and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so my tip would be on like the connector, is kind of stack your hands on top of each other. There's two edges to the actual bulb, and all you gotta do is just kind of do this kind of twisting motion and then pop them out, then just move it off to the side. That's my best advice I can give you on that. And also, you can probably take out this little I don't know, trim piece that goes over the cluster. If you want to do that, all it is just that these two bolts on top of the roof, they're actually Phillips screws, my bad. And all you have to do is just kind of pry it out and then lift up. It'll probably give me a little bit more room to actually move this out the side, but yeah, I managed to get it through. So now that I have this bulb out, all I gotta do is just take it out. Alright, I'm gonna need two hands for this. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I managed to take it out. You can see on this side, this is my stock light, and it was the yellow incandescent one. This one's the other one, and all this one has is just like a rubber piece on top of this stock bulb. So in theory, I guess you could like put some vinyl on top of this one just to make it like same color. You could like tint spray that, I don't know, but this was the cheapest route for me. It's literally costing me nothing to do this, just time. Yeah, let me shove this light back in and show you how it is. Alright guys, so here's the final results. It's not as bright as I would think it would be, but then again, it is just an OEM bulb with a little rubber piece on top. Kind of wish it filled everything in, but with this generation of STI, the 04s, the little ring doesn't fully, like, the light just doesn't distribute that well. This little ring that I have here is off of a, I believe it's like a 08 Legacy or something. I did like a a brand new key set on it, and this was just gonna go in the trash anyway, so that's how I got this little part. But these distribute light way better than these older models. But yeah, it's a nice little OEM plus upgrade. And then again, it only took me like 3 minutes to do, and the only tool I used was this screwdriver. That's it. So it's a nice little DIY project you can do to your weekend if you're just bored and sitting there. I'll have the link to a part number or something in description to help you guys out trying to find these bulbs. I'm pretty sure you can just run to Subaru and just grab them. But then again, this little ring thing is made by Mitsubishi, so yeah, I don't know, but I'll try finding you guys something. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and catch you in the next video.